Okay, so as you have seen this picture before, we are just going to revisit it really quick, and I want you to look at the words now that we've had the lesson and I've explained to you what everything is. I really want you to think about how these words all interact with each other and all take part in an environment and how they all like relate to each other. So now, from the essential questions, maybe you weren't sure and you wanted to learn about it, and now that we have explained them, you should be able to answer them. So now you should know what an ecosystem is, how living and non-living things interact within an ecosystem, how they are interdependent, and what extinction is, and how it impacts other species. If you still aren't sure exactly what all of these questions are or what the answers are, make sure you go back and rewatch the slides just so you can get a better understanding. So for your final assignment for this lesson, I want you to look at the three images I have on this slide. There's a shark, a bumblebee, and a polar bear. I want you to pick two of them. Answer the following questions for the two animals you chose, the questions are, what do they need to keep them healthy and happy? What type of ecosystem do they live in? So go back and look at the 6 different ecosystems we discussed. And then what things could you put these animals, or what things could put these animals at risk of extinction if their ecosystem was disrupted? So we looked at pollution, we looked at deforestation, we looked at a bunch of different things. So I want you to really think about all these questions and then write them down.